right deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's a day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. Oh, there's nothing wrong with living right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have here 5 tips that I'm going to be using to save and budget as a mom of 4 whilst trying to simplify my life. It's crazy enough having 4 kids and trying to be everywhere and do everything, as well as run a business, all these other things that I need to do and look after my mental health. I thought I should create a strategy that I can be following and see how that's going to help me. So I have number 1, I'm going to create a detailed budget. I'm going to start by tracking my income and expenses so that I can understand where our money is going. Then create a budget that includes all essential expenses like rentals, groceries, utilities, childcare, and don't forget black tax, y'all, black tax. I have to include as well family days out, because with kids you need to find ways of entertaining them, because they don't understand, why you're budgeting so much. So you need to have a balance so that the kids can still have, experiences as children. Number 2 on the list, I'm going to be meal planning and bulk cooking. I'm going to plan my meals for the week ahead, taking into account my family's preferences and dietary needs. Thank God nobody's got, any allergies or strict diet requirements. So we're quite flexible in that regard. So look for budget-friendly recipes and consider bulk cooking to save time and money. I'll be cooking in batches and freezing portions so that meal times can be easy and will reduce the temptation to order out. Of course, we'll have days where we'll eat out, but then we're trying to minimize on all of that by implementing these strategies so we can have a simplified life, y'all. It's tough out here in this economy. So on number 3, I've got minimize non-essential expenses. So I will be identifying areas where I can cut back on non-essential spending. This could include dining out less frequently. So for example, if we were eating out twice a week, that means we'll reduce it to once a week. If we had been eating once a week, that means we'll reduce it to once a fortnight, etc., etc. This is my plan for my family. You can figure out what will work for you guys. A reduction in subscription services. Guys, I've got Netflix, I've got Stan, I've got Prime, I've got Showmax. So it's like we need to sit down and figure out which services to cut down on, or find cheaper alternatives for entertainment and leisure activities. We will also be prioritizing spending on items that bring value to our family's life. So that will be different for every family, and that will depend on the budget as well. But for me, I'm trying to minimize where possible. We will have to find ways that we can do some of these things without spending a lot of money. On number 4, I've got shop smart and utilize discounts. Guys, those coupons that come through the mailbox, I'm going to be collecting them. I'm going to be doing bulk orders. I'm going to be doing, try to save where I can. If it means going to 3 shops, then we'll be doing that, because the aim is to tailor make our budget to reduce unnecessary spending. So I'll look for deals, discounts, coupons when shopping for groceries, clothing, and other essentials. I will consider buying in bulk for items that my family frequently uses, as it's often cheaper in the long run. I will take advantage of loyalty programs and cashback offers to stretch my budget further. Last point on number 5, teach children about financial responsibility. Oh my Lord, this is a big one, because we really need to teach our children financial responsibility. So I will be involving my children in discussions about money management and budgeting from a young age. I will encourage them to contribute to household chores and responsibilities based on their abilities. This is helpful because it will take a load off my to-do list, and I will just be supervising and making sure that things are done correctly. Teach them about the value of saving, budgeting, and making thoughtful spending decisions. Guys, I'm still learning actually. I'm still on the journey to learn financial literacy. So it's important that I instill this value into my children so that they can grow up to becoming adults that make thoughtful spending decisions. Trying to teach my kids responsible ways about financial budgetings and thoughtful spendings. So I hope these tips will also help you, and let me know which ones resonated with you the most. I mean, there's a lot more that I could go into. If you want me to go into a lot more that I will be doing, just let me know, and I will create another video where we'll be talking about budgeting as a large family, especially being here in Australia. Budgeting, whether you're in Australia, in Africa, wherever, you still have to budget, because we all know the economy that we're living in. It's not playing games with nobody. It's not playing games. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Let me know what other strategies that you guys use in your homes, maybe that I can adopt. I would really love to hear from you. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.